Hi everyone, so I'm back to share not a journal but an unboxing from Your Creative Studio. They kindly asked me if I would like one of the boxes, and of course I said yes. And it did arrive last week, but I've been really busy over the weekend. So I'm excited about this. I've seen other people's, so yeah, I'm really excited to see this in other flesh and used products. So I've already undone the box, and as you can see there, you've got a lovely label inside there, and just making sure I'm in a frame here. I may move the box out of the way. So you get this lovely paper that everything seems to be wrapped up in, and a little label there which says I think it's Your Creative on there. Well, the initials anyway. Let's see. Oh, and little thank you. I think that fell out when I opened the box, and I just tucked it back in because I wasn't sure where it came from. So yeah, a little thank you card there, and I believe that is the theme. So let me see if I can do this without ripping that lovely paper. I will use that somehow. So there we go. Okay, exciting. Right, so much stuff to look at here. So what is this? A cling stamp. Now I'll put all the links below. I've seen a few other ladies recently receive one of these, and they've done a video. And yeah, like I said, I was really excited. Oh, there's a few in that. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Little deers. How cute are they? So I'm going to put them straight back in there so I don't lose them. I think I'll keep everything in that box. Then here was another cling stamp. Isn't that lovely? So lovely. It's wearing a jacket and like a bow tie type thing. That's amazing. What's this? Some masking tape, washi tape. And that's got the deer on there as well. Let me see if I can pull a little bit out of that without tearing it, so that you can see. So this is the November box, if I haven't already said that. How cute is that? That's going to look nice down the side of a page or on some tags. Then we have a bookmark. Oh, that's cute. Is it magnetic? I think it is. Yep, it is magnetic. And obviously a little deer's head and antlers, as if that's what you call them, are poking out the top. I can't open that now. How cute is that? So that goes in there. Set that to the side. Do all the brown bags first. And this is another cling stamp. Oh, look, really lovely. Another deer. Just making sure there isn't anything else in there. Then we have these. They are vintage. Oh, they're stickers. Let me see. They're stickers. And oh, they're in like a matchbox. That's cute. Nice little holder. Also, there's all these little cards. Are they stickers? Yeah, I did say there were stickers, didn't I? Yes, they are. Oh, that's cool. So there's them. And then it's like little tickets. Little pieces of ephemera. More little ticket things. And then these ones. Oh, they're cute. You could actually cut them up. And you get a few of each, which is really good. Another little coupon book. Another ticket. Some more tickets. What's that? 10 cents. Can you imagine? 10 cents. I don't think you can get anything for that now. Oh wow, it's so cute. And some more little tickets. Oh, so really lovely little stickers. You can make little tags with these as well. Make them into little journal cards. Just move that out of the way. Then you get these lovely stickers, which are all fern leaves. Not sure if, yeah, you can see them. I wasn't sure if the background was interfering with that, so they'll be good to use. Then we have some sticky notes. To be quite honest, them sticky notes, if they're all the same, you could just make them into tags. They are all the same, so you could literally make tags with them, or that's what I'm going to do anyway. Then we have these little stamps. They look like they were original, but possibly scanned in and cut out or whatever, because they've, you know, you've got some here from Guernsey and little stamp marks on them. Either that, or it's just really clever how they have been done. Let's have a little look at them, and even the background, how cute is that? Okay, so we've got a couple of there from Guernsey, and then I haven't got my glasses on, but I think that's from France. Oh, look at the owl. Australia. Oops. And the little birdies. God, I like a little birdie. Oh, and the pussycats. Some nice little pussycats there. That's really good, because they're all like they're nature themed, so they'll go with all the kind of the ferns, you know, the botanical woodland effect with, you know, the deer, a lion, tiger, some swans. I'm not sure what that is. Should have brought my glasses in. In fact, I need to go get them from the house, otherwise I will see nothing. More little pretty cats. Tiger. So that's a good little collection. Oh, little squirrel. So they're a good little collection. Got to put these back in, otherwise they will go missing in here. Then we have these tags, which they feel really sturdy. Let me see if I can open it this side. Sorry if you can hear, there's people walking past very loudly. Again, the card is good, you could do something with that. And then you get these tags, which obviously the little bit punches out of there, just like that. Oh, won't do it, but it does. So they will be really, really handy. So I'm going to make a little journal with all this stuff. And I'm probably going to crack on with this as soon as I do this video. And these are, does it say on here? If I could read Chinese, I would know. So I think they're stickers, but they're like the clear stickers. So when you put them on, you don't see, you know, like you don't have a white background. Are they? Do you fussy cut them out? I think, yep, you might have to fussy cut them out, or do they peel? I'm not sure. I'll have a bit. I think you've got to like fussy cut around them. I don't mind a little bit of fussy cutting. They're like vellum. Is that what they are? Vellum. Yeah, I think they might be. So that is lovely. And then this is they stickers? They are stickers. It's a nice little sticker. I love the background as well. The colour is really nice. Then we have these. Let me find some scissors. These are note cards. Everything's wrapped so nicely as well. And I'm not going to take that off completely, I'm just going to see if I can slide it down a little bit to show you them. And then obviously there's these ones up here that I missed. So it's a nice little collection of labels and lines, and they'd be good just to like stick on if you're doing like if you just need a little piece on a page to do some journaling, they would be ideal for that. And then we have these vellum pieces. Again, really like that colour. I think there's a kit in my stash somewhere that has got a background quite similar to that I will go hunt out and print off a few pages to match the journal that I'm going to make with this. Hope you can see that. And that's pretty. And then here we have the animals on there. So that's it. I don't think I've missed any of them, have I? No. No, so that's lovely. And that is that. And that's the lovely piece of paper, which is really nice. Oops, I just wobbled my camera then. So I'm going to put everything back in there so I don't lose it, so I know where it all is. So thank you so much for sending me this box out. Really appreciate it, and I'm going to enjoy using it. I like the fact that it's all themed, you know, not absolutely everything, but most of it is all themed, and you've got ephemera to use alongside it. And yes, it's really pretty. So like I said, I will put the links below. If I've missed out anything, just let me know and I'll find out for you. But yeah, thank you very much. Bye.